My name is John Jessup. I'm the Managing Director of CANADYNE Technologies Inc. We're a oil spill response and equipment manufacturer and supplier based in Richmond, BC. We manufacture primarily marine pollution control equipment, and we sell that through a North American client base and also export worldwide. In light of recent events in our marketplace, there's been a great focus on our business and on the environment in general. We recognized as a small and as a growing company that we needed some assistance in helping grow our business through improving and increasing the number of our personnel and their effectiveness. So we think one of our strengths as a small company is in recognizing our weaknesses, and one of those weaknesses is in recruiting and finding the right people to join our team. We decided that using a recruiting firm such as Rossi & Associates would be the best way to use our resources to make a speedy transition from where we were, or where we are now, to where we're going. Rossi & Associates initially came down and met the principals and tried to learn about our management and our organizational objectives at CANADYNE. And once they did that, they helped us define the role and the job description of the candidates that we were looking for. They looked at things such as their culture, their capabilities, and how they would fit inside our small organization. One of the things that was impressive to us was Donna and her team's very strong knowledge of the sales process. And I think very quickly Donna got a pretty good understanding of our company and how we operated, and also what type of a candidate or individual we would like to fill in that role. So that initially for us was very comforting. Having not used a recruiting firm before, we were a little bit unsure as to how the process worked and also what benefits we might get from that, and that became very evident right away. Well, for us as a small and growing company, one of the main challenges we have that Rossi & Associates helps with is first of all access to candidates. Again, for something that we're new to, we don't really know where to turn when we're looking for qualified candidates, and Rossi & Associates were very clear to help us and to ensure that we were getting not only high quality candidates, but also a large breadth of candidates to choose from, and also not just to settle on a candidate just based on a limited pool of applicants. So that was one of the things that we thought was very important to us in helping us along our path. So the other thing that Rossi & Associates helped us with is the ability to find out the right candidates and to ensure that they had both the ability and the motivation to do the proper job from us. We were extremely impressed with the quality of the candidates that were presented in front of us. And as I mentioned, having no experience in recruiting or working with a recruiter before, it was very important for us to take the information and some of the feedback that we were getting from Donna and her team, both in the initial screening of the candidates and also when we interviewed them, to ensure that they were the right fit for our company. Our experience with Rossi & Associates was very positive. Right from the beginning, both myself and the other management executives at CANADYNE had a very comfortable feeling with Donna and her staff. We felt her capabilities immediately. The impact of the candidates that she was bringing to us and how they were screened was very positive. Again, as an organization who hasn't had a lot of experience in bringing new candidates onto our team, these two hires that we've had through Rossi & Associates were our first two significant hires since the inception of the company. We knew how important it was to get the right people, and as such, I think Donna also realized that and her team, and they went to great lengths to ensure that not only were we happy with the candidates that we did eventually place into the jobs, they've continued to follow up and ensure that we continue to be happy as we move forward.